Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 11.3, which is related to surface area of cube, cuboid, and cylinder. I have already explained the related formulas in previous videos, but today I want to repeat the formulas related to this exercise. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL, and lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into in the bracket L plus B into H, and total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square, and lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4a square. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h, and lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. In this exercise, we are going to use all these formulas which is related to the questions, like exercise 11.3, question number 1 is, what is question number 1 of exercise 11.3? Just I explain it. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? In this question number 1, you find out total surface area of cuboid and cube, which is given in the figure. Figure A is a cuboidal shape and figure B is a cubical shape. This means you find out the total surface area of cuboid and total surface area of cube, and you compare them, which box requires the lesser amount of material to make. Okay. First of all, I want to write what is given here. Here is given for figure 1. Figure A. Length is equal to 60 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 40 centimeter, and height is equal to 50 centimeter. These are given for figure A, which is cuboidal shape. You find out total surface area of cuboidal box A. Total surface area of cuboidal box A is equal to, formula is 2 into in the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. You find out L is 60 into B 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60, that is L. into, you add this, you get 0, 0, 4 and 3 to 5, 5 to 7. You multiply it, you get 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14 and double 0 is here. Centimeter square. This is the total surface area of a cuboidal box A, which is required to make the box. Then total surface area of cuboidal box B. I have to write down here figure B for here for figure A and for figure B. Length, breadth, height all are equal. L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to, given here what, 50 centimeter. This means all of them are equal to each other, therefore this is a cubical box. Then you find out total surface area, total surface area of cubical box B is equal to 6a square, that is 6 into 50 square, that is 6 into 5 further 25, double 0. When you multiply this, 25 is 150 and 2 0 is here. Means this is 15,000 centimeter square and this is 14,800 centimeter square. So which surface area is less? You compare it. 14,800 is less than 15,000 centimeter square. This means the material required in your question is, which box requires the lesser amount material to make? This means box A require lesser material to make. It is your answer. Question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? In this question, first of all, you find out the area of tarpaulin which is required for one suitcase. Means area of a suitcase cover, which is find out by using the formula total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Then you multiply by 100, you get the area of suitcase cover, 100 suitcase cover, and when you divide the area by 96 centimeter, you get the length of the tarpaulin which is required to make the 100 covers of such suitcase. In this question, first of all, I want to write Length of suitcase L is equal to 80 centimeter. L is equal to 80 centimeter. B is equal to 48 centimeter. And H is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay. We find out area of a suitcase. Area of a suitcase. Cover is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. You write down the values 2 into L 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. You get 2 into 8 8 the 64, 8 4 the 32, and 6 38, and 0 is here, plus you multiply 48 into 24, 48 into 24, 4 8 the 32, 4 4 the 16, and 3 19, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, and 1 9. 2 9 6 15 5 1 carry 1 1 2 9 11 11 52 plus 8 4 the 32, 3 8 to the 16, and 3 19, 2 into, you add this, you get 2 2 5 7 7 4 11 1 1 9 10 10 and 1 11 11 and 8 19 1 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 3 6. Then you multiply it, you get 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 9 the 18, 1 2 6 the 12, and 1 13 centimeter square. This is the area of one suitcase cover. Then you find out area of 100 suitcase cover. Area of 100 suitcase cover is equal to 13 824 into 100. You get 13 82400 centimeter square. This is the area of 100 suitcase cover. And width of the tarpaulin cloth which is used to make a suitcase cover is 96 centimeter. Width of tarpaulin cloth. Width of tarpaulin cloth. Tarpaulin cloth is equal to 96 centimeter. Then length of tarpaulin cloth is equal to area 313,824,00 upon 96. Means area is divided by width, you get length of the tarpaulin cloth. This is divided, you divide it 13,824 divided by 00 divided by 96, you get 96 1 ja, this is 2, and 13 minus 9 4, and 2 is here, then 9 4 ja, 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 9 are 36, and 2 38. You get 12 minus 4 8, and 11 minus 8 3, and 3 minus 3 0. Then you bring down 4, you get 4 times, means 4 6 are 24, 4 9 are 36, and 2 38. And these two zeros are here. You get 14400 centimeter. And when you convert this into meter, you get 14400 upon 100. This is divided by this, you get 144 meter. Required tarpaulin cloth is 144 meter. It is your answer.